Greetings everyone, this is Mr. Henry and today I'm coming live from the Amazon rainforest. Now this, as you can see, the dense vegetation, the towering trees, ooh, the humidity, this is how the Amazon rainforest is. Now the Amazon rainforest is located on the equator, so this type of climate is called an equatorial climate. Now, aside from all this green bush, what is so special about the rainforest? Now, the rainforest, it has a very low pressure because of the heat. The temperature is very hot. So therefore the heat, what we know about heat always rises. So because it is rising, it creates a low pressure down here. So because the heat is rising, eventually it will cool, and that is what causes the great amounts of rainfall for this area. So there is a high temperature, high humidity, low pressure, and the rainfall in this place is always frequent. It is always heavy. It happens all the time. The rainfall happens all the time. See what I told you? Rainfall happens all the time in the Amazon rainforest. So I'm going to be taking you through this rainforest. Now I hope you brought good clothes because there are a lot of insects and the heat. So you notice how I am dressed, in case those spiders and those insects and the heat, So come with me as we learn about the equatorial climate, the Amazon rainforest, and all the different types of tropical rainforest. These climates are found along the equator, so they are called equatorial climates. Equatorial climates form the world's hot, humid heart. They stretch between 5 and 15 degrees latitude north and south of the equator. These regions dominate vast lowland basins and tropical islands. Iconic examples include the Amazon basin in South America, the Congo Basin in Central Africa, and the lush island rainforests of Borneo and New Guinea in Southeast Asia. Now, in these zones, the temperatures remain remarkably stable all year. Average annual temperatures typically hover between 26 and 28 degrees Celsius. The sun's direct rays keep day-to-day and seasonal temperature swings very minimal, often less than 3 degrees Celsius. So the plants and the animals thrive without needing to adapt to any cold extremes. Rainfall is also abundant, heavy, and steady, with annual totals ranging from 2,000 to 4,000 millimeters. Now, unlike climates with a distinct dry season, equatorial regions receive significant rain every month, ensuring that the soil rarely ever dries out. The relative humidity consistently exceeds 80%, often nearing saturation. Saturation would be 100%, so therefore 80% is often near saturation.
This persistent moisture shapes plant growth, supports lush greenery, and influences human comfort. Daily life in equatorial climates is punctuated by a regular thunderstorm cycle. Mornings are calm, but as midday heating intensifies, humid air rises, fueling powerful afternoon and evening storms. These convectional storms bring intense rain, frequent lightning, and sometimes flooding. The Intertropical Convergence Zone, or IITCZ, is the atmospheric engine behind these patterns, driving converging winds and vertical uplift that create both daily and seasonal rainfall peaks. Equatorial climates nurture dense, layered tropical rainforests. Towering emergent trees, a thick canopy, shaded understory, and a decomposer-rich forest floor form a vertical tapestry teeming with life. These forests are biodiversity hotspots, home to roughly 40% of Earth's terrestrial species. From orchids and lianas to primates and canopy birds, the diversity and complexity of life here are unmatched. Despite their richness, equatorial forests face threats from deforestation, logging, and agriculture. Heavy rains leach nutrients from soils, so clearing forests can quickly degrade land and reduce biodiversity. These forests are also crucial carbon sinks. Destroying them releases carbon dioxide, accelerating climate change and disrupting rainfall patterns far beyond the tropics. Equatorial climates sustain rapid plant growth, support complex food webs, and regulate the planet's climate. Their preservation is vital for biodiversity, indigenous cultures, and global ecological stability. Protecting these vibrant regions means safeguarding a vital treasure for the entire world.